Hey guys, how's it going? How to schedule Instagram posts with interactive polls and quizzes, or quizzes. Sorry. So first of all, go ahead and open up your Instagram, right? And choose social media management tool like Later, Hotsuite, or Buffer that supports Instagram, and then basically design your posts, including eye-catching visuals and captions for polls and quizzes. Use Instagram stories as they are more interactive feature, right? And prepare your interactive content on Instagram stories. Use the poll or quiz to sticker to create an engagement. Open up right here and add to your story. Let's say for example you want to add this one. Go ahead right here and click the sticker at the top, and then you're gonna see the poll right here. Click on it and then ask the question, and after posting, monitor and respond to audience interactions to foster engagement. Remember to experiment with different times and formats to see what resonates best with your audience. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.